When releasing the dogs from a position, we typically utilize break or free as the release cues. Personally, I prefer using both cues for distinct purposes, but the choice of using one or both depends on specific expectations. Break is employed to end a session or to allow the dogs to move freely, while free is the cue to release the dogs to come and sit directly in front of me, a dual-purpose cue functioning as both a release and a recall cue. The release cue plays a crucial role in reinforcing the duration stay, creating anticipation in the dogs for the release cue, even while they are following the stay command. This helps the dogs understand that they are expected to maintain their position until they are released. It's important to emphasize the significance of teaching the dogs to enjoy being on the boundary, as this greatly contributes to their comfort and enthusiasm during the training process. There are a few key considerations. 1. Avoid confusion. Choose a release cue that is distinct and not easily confused with other commands or everyday words. 2. Training context. If you use multiple release cues, ensure that each has a clear and distinct meaning and context to avoid confusing the dog. In this demo, a break cue is used to release both dogs and allow them to go free in any direction. It's recommended to practice one cue per session until each is solid on one cue, and then move forward to a different cue. 3. Dog's understanding. The most important aspect is that the dog clearly understands what the release cue means and responds appropriately. In the second part of this demo, a free cue is to release the dogs so they come directly toward me and sit in front of me for a reward.